We can learn with every sound. We can learn with every sound.
Hi, kiddo. I am the cute letter C. It is so great to meet you. Do you know my sound? My sound is k, k, k. Can you make that sound with me? Say k, k, k. Great job! Now that you know my sound, let us learn a little poem about the letter E. C is for cat, cat, cat. C is for cat, cat, cat. C is for cat, cat, cat. C is for car, car, car. C is for cow, 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 cow. C says clap and sing with me. C says the crispy sound. C is for cake, cake. C is for corn, corn. C is for crab, crab. C is for crab, crab. C is for candle, candle. C says clap and sing with me. C says the crispy sound. Wave your hands, cheer. The letter C makes all year.
Like and subscribe the channel.